So today we're on that Midland 76900 that I had to take the illegal modification off and transform the radio back into a worker. 3 capacitors changed, 2 in the power supply, and that really enabled us to do a full 4 watts once again, because it was 3.5 watts. Receiver's alright. Don't really approve of retrofitting crystal filters, but hey ho, it works alright. The sensitivity is 0.32 of a microvolt for 12 decibels synad, and apart from the high filter switch, which has been ruined by the modifier, everything is fine. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. We're using the standard replacement microphone provided by me. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you copy?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Roger. Okay, we're recording.
Yep, roger that. Right, we'll just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station. Now, of course, if I was given a free hand, these blue LEDs would go, and if they had to be LEDs, they'd be white, otherwise it'd be back to bulbs. But I do appreciate, once these sets are 38 years old, years of having real bulbs in them can cause the plastic to go brittle, so sometimes LEDs are the real only answer, but as I say, I would do white ones, because blue LEDs hadn't been invented when these were made.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford, over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratch Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Midland 76900 base station, and it's doing a full 4 watts.
Roger that, I'll see.
Ah, there we are, excellent.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Grayleys turn. That was one of the better receives from Grayleys. That's our worst point. Roger got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing, also known as Grayleys, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Okay, so that worked alright. So, what can one say? We'll go over to our base station, our Harris CBHQ base station, which has exactly the same innards as this one. The difference being that the Harrier CBHQ was $129.99 and these were $369.99. So you had to decide at the time whether you thought the front panel on this was worth the extra 200 quid. And it actually is, because you couldn't produce that for 200 quid. So we will go over and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 76900 base station into our Harrier CBHQ. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is on a standard replacement mic. And as ever,